There are no accidents in this universe. Every major event in your life has happened for a reason, all to bring you to this moment, right now. The fact that you are here today is proof that a powerful transformation has already awakened deep within you, and now you are finally ready. I will cover 10 secrets on how to use the law of attraction to get money, and you'll see, it's easy and really works. Oh, and stay till the end because I will show you the law of attraction to get money instantly, well, starting in the next 24 hours. Before revealing to you the 10 secrets, let's see the reason number 1 that stop you from manifesting money. One of the most frequent reasons why people fail when manifesting money relates to the very way that we tend to perceive money. Specifically, it is an enormous source of stress and concern for many of us, and it's really difficult to get rid of that anxiety. However, if you take negative thoughts and feelings with you on your journey with the law of attraction, you just won't be able to get the results you really want. The number 1 lesson you need to learn about manifesting money is to create and maintain a positive, trusting attitude in the power of the law of attraction. Oh, and by the way, the law of attraction for quick money works with or without chakra, feng shui, numerology, angel's number, or the third eye. Secret number 1. Be clear about what you need the money for. Some people want money for the vague idea of money. But you do not just want a pile of paper in your safe, or a bunch of numbers on your online bank statement, do you? You want it so you can do something with it. So what is it? Do you want to buy a new house? Pay off your debt? Send your kids to college? Go on a trip to Hawaii? Write down all the physical things that money would get you. Thinking that having a lot of money would be nice just is not enough. Make a list, try to include as many things that you can think of. Secret number 2. Decide on how much money you need. Note: need, not want. Because if you think about what exactly you need this money for, like a new house, or a new car, or a fantastic holiday, etc., you may realize that you don't really need $1 million, you need a very specific sum of money. In the same way, if you are trying to manifest financial freedom, make sure you know what that means to you. How much money is that a month or year? What will you spend it on? So take some time to think about it, make a spreadsheet if you need to, come up with a specific number and write it down. Before going to secret number 3, can we ask you to please subscribe to support this channel? It will cost you nothing and will mean a lot for us for the hard work we put on each video. Thanks so much. You are truly awesome. Your mom should be really proud of you. Now let's continue. Secret number 3. Get rid of the limiting beliefs. Here are some of the ideas that can stop you from manifesting wealth. Money is a limited resource. You have to work too hard to get wealthy. It's selfish to want a lot of money. Money is the root of all evil. My family isn't rich, and I probably will never be rich too. The chances of becoming rich are really low. In order to create financial abundance, you need to let go of these disempowering beliefs. Secret number 4. Act as if you are wealthy. The basic rule of the law of attraction, like attracts like. So how are you going to attract money if you have a mindset of a poor person? Acting wealthy doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money that you don't have at this point. It just means that you can allow yourself to window shop for expensive things, plan amazing holidays, treat yourself to small luxury things every once in a while. Secret number 5. Believe that money is a good thing. Practice affirmations that focus only on the positive feelings you'd enjoy if you had the money you desire. For example, you might try an affirmation version of the old living as if trick. In other words, speak like you already have the money. An example affirmation might be, I can afford everything I want or need in my life without stress or worry. Another might be, everywhere I go, I attract financial prosperity and abundance. Experiment with several different wordings and choose the affirmation that strikes a special chord with you. Repeat it into the mirror every day. Secret number 6. Make a money dream board. Cut out some images of money. Surround them with other pictures, or words, or drawings that connect you with the things you'll do when you are successfully manifesting money. Keep it in your bedroom or office, and let it fill you with excitement and good feelings each and every time you see it. For people who are more moved by images than words, a dream board can hold more sway than repeating affirmations. Ideally, however, you'll try doing both. What have you got to lose? Secret number 7. Amp up your visualization process. If you've already learned some of the basics of the law of attraction, you'll know that creative visualization is a real cornerstone of the process of manifestation. However, your visualizations can always be more powerful and influential. When you picture yourself enjoying the financial success that is to come, try adding multiple sensory experiences into the visualization. What can you smell? And what can you hear? What does the money, or the object you've bought with the money, feel like in your hands? Use your whole body to build and believe in the visualization. You can also try visualizing from multiple perspectives, seeing yourself from outside your body in some visualizations. This is the visualization technique that works best for athletes who are honing their physical skills. Secret number 8. Smell money. Although this might sound ridiculous at first, it's a bit like the visualization tip above. It helps you really tune into the reality of money and send out more effective, coherent signals to the universe about what you want. Money has a special smell you just don't find anywhere else, and the trick is to make sure you're thinking positively when you smell it. You might try saying your affirmation when you smell money and get into the mindset of appreciating the money you know is in your future, rather than yearning for the money you think you don't yet have. The ideal money for this exercise is a crisp, new note, but all money carries at least some of that distinctive scent. Secret number 9. Teach yourself what it means to have money. Brainstorm some reasons why you feel or think positively about money. As we considered above, there are probably many times when you've thought about what it means to lack money, forming beliefs and feelings about how money is easy to lose, hard to find, something other people have, and so on. The positive brainstorming process will help to rewire your thinking. One approach might be to write money in the center of a piece of paper and then write down every positive belief you have around the circle. Always write in terms of what money offers you, not what it could offer you, so you're properly connecting with the reality of manifesting money. So, you might start with, money lets me travel to the place I want to see, then add, money allows me to decorate my home the way I've always wanted to, and thanks to money, I'm better able to help other people and change lives. Write down as many positive statements as you can, then pin the piece of paper up where you can easily see it every day. Secret number 10. Be grateful for the money you've had. For example, you might try keeping a gratitude journal and regularly jotting down benefits you've enjoyed because of the money you've had. You could write, I'm grateful for the money that allowed me to grow up without worrying about whether food would be on the table, or, I'm always grateful for the money that let me have the amazing experience of something you think of, and, I feel grateful when I think about the money that has permitted me to sleep safely and comfortably each night. Each person's reasons for gratitude will be different. The key is just to make a clearer connection between your desire to make money and your conception of money as a positive, good, generous force in the world. So, in sum, for most people who want to manifest money, the reason why success doesn't immediately arrive is simple. The concept of money comes with a lot of baggage, and that baggage can block your positive intentions. In contrast, people who believe they can attract money will do so. For example, Bill Gates is on record saying that he never actually doubted he would get rich, and look at him. If you practice simple everyday techniques that slowly but surely transform your attitude to money, you too can manifest the abundant life you visualize. Now comes the secret surprise that I promised. I hear you say, but I cannot wait. I need the law of attraction for emergency money right now. How about magically manifesting real, spendable cash, starting in the next 24 hours? Stay with me for 2 more minutes and I will tell you what 461,987 other people, as wonderful as you are, have done so far. The secret is to enter into the world of your subconscious and learn how to influence your subconscious mind, manifesting changes in the material world. Have you heard about the theta brain waves? They are the brain frequencies, 4 to 7 Hz, of the barely conscious states just before sleeping and just after awakening. Thousands of people have changed their financial life with spoken word meditations and music with theta binaural beats. The causal plane, a very high plane of consciousness where what you visualize has incredible power to manifest. Now, this is what you want. At this level of mind, you become what you think you are, for truly your thoughts are creative. In the next hours, days and weeks to come, your brainwaves will entrain to theta waves and you'll start attracting ideas, opportunities, and people to make your prosperity goals a reality. The results are profound. Attract money like a magnet and create abundance as never before. Let me give you the resources to achieve what you are looking for. Use the law of attraction for quick money. The link to it is in the description. It's the first link you will find. You really are an amazing person. You came to the very end of this video. We really would love you to subscribe and activate the bell. It would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Please comment below, what will you buy or pay first with the money you'll receive from these 10 money manifestation techniques? Don't forget, there's a fail-proof solution in the description. God bless you forever.